filled.
Alrighty then, we're in for the afternoon session here. Just hit a little HMD red off the top. Looking for some more. We'll talk more about what's going on here at the end. Started out with few tough trades there on the morning session, first session of the day. A little bit tough. Coming here in the afternoon, made up for some of that already. And we'll talk more about that at the end. Let's just focus on trading here. Lots of fast action. Should be one of those great opportunity days. Make sure, of course, you're following us over here. Instagram especially, a lot of fun hanging out right there. Join us on Discord if you want to learn how we earn. Don't forget, trading is risky. And my name is Vinny Emini. If you're ready for the afternoon session, say, oh yeah! Let's do this. Let's get right into it here. No intros this time. Let's go.
On the fives.
All right, had quite a few trades there. I kind of been sitting around the desk. We've got first day after contract rollover. Lots of activity here today. Some of our members crushing it, absolutely crushing it here today. Trying to catch up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add into this position way behind this entry on the headshot. Should be closer down here. Hopefully we get an opportunity to add to this position here. Let's see if we get up there. Green dot up top.
Target,
zone.
Target.
Thank you. I'll take it.
Short. Look for a short.
Concentration level to the max. Let's go.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the fives.
Quick look up here at the high time frame. Look, we're wound up in the ropes. Okay. Opportunity to possibly trade both sides as long as this doesn't completely drop out. Let's watch. Okay, coming into large king timing. I'm gonna take a swipe at this. There's a cross. Take a little swipe. Stops right up under the cross. We are moving quick. Keep our risk managed. Yikes. Might be in a little trouble here. We've got a green PRZ coming in right here. I can always re-enter. Yikes. Okay, got stopped here. Second cross. I'm going to give this one more shot here. Going a little bit larger.
Target.
Get up there. Push me back into that white cross. Let's go.
Harmonic.
Oh, dadgummit. Pick it up. Thank you. Get up in there.
Fib dot. Natch.
Oh no, turned into a red dot. Ouch. Yikes. Alright, closing her out. Ouch. Ouch. Okay, back of the shark. Gonna try it again. Let's go. Back of the shark. Get the targets to the front of the shark.
Target filled.
Hitting them too quick. Hitting them too quick.
Nasdaq on the twos.
Get up in there on the shark on the fives. Yes. Yes. Thank you very much.
On the twos.
Double red dot. Try it back the other way. Double dot in the king. Yikes. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Oh, yikes. We could accumulate here. Double cross. All right. Thank you, thank you. Get to the bottom. You got any left in you? Get down in there. Yikes, nope. I don't know what's happening right there.
On the 2 fit dot.
Okay. Let's watch.
Fit dot.
That's my pool guy, hold on. Jeff, how are you, sir?
Fit dot. Nasdaq on the 5s.
Alright, sorry I had to take that one. I've been trying to get this guy about my pool that they're installing and dealing with our septic stuff. Okay, we've got double king timing. We punched into T1. We've got a blue dot on the 5s, blue dots on the 8s. I'm gonna try to get long right here. I'm gonna see if we can push this right into this zone right. Oh, yes. Okay, so quick. Couldn't even pull it back. Only T1s, mostly T1s there. We've got double dot. I'm gonna add to position. Double dot up here on the 5s. Yes. Get my stops back behind the cross. Get up in there.
Fit dot. Nasdaq.
Oh, yikes. Okay. Add to position on green dot here.
Fit dot. Nasdaq on the 5s.
Get up in there. Okay, cracking. Yikes. Okay, let's see if we can push it up into PRZ, and I'm closing her out. Good right there. Double dot, I'll take it. Yes, thank you very much. Beautimus, beautimus. Okay, we're moving quick. Beautiful double dot out of a shark. Oh man, look how powerful that was. Multi PRZ, double dot, power dot coming up off the bottom. Nice little fake out moves to the short side, popping right up there. Very, very good. Now remember, we also had, if you look up at the top left, I saw the blue dot come in as well. Look at this. Blue dot, bam, taking us right back up into the golden ropes. So we're in the golden ropes. We've got space up above us, and then when we get up here, we'll look back for the short again. That's the plan. Super fast here. I'm gonna be, I don't know if I'll be talked through most of this, folks. I'm gonna be fast.
On the 2s.
All right, we're gonna try to take advantage of the volatility. Remember, it is first day back after contract rollover. There's target 1. We went straight to target 1. I'm gonna add to position, expecting that we're gonna get 2 and 3. Get up in there. Target 2. There's target 2 on the J hook.
Fit dot. On the 2s.
We went straight to target 1, right? Which means target 2, target 3 is more likely. Give me a cross. Okay, I'll take it. Cross play. Stop underneath the crosses.
Fit dot.
Uh-oh. Yikes. Turned red dot. Break that red dot. Push it up.
Harmonic pattern.
Push it up.
On the 2s. Target
Didn't
filled.
really finish out T1. Look, there's no check mark on T2. I'm sorry, T2. Didn't finish out T2 there. Adding 2. Get me up into that T2. Oh, don't you do it.
Fib dot. Nasdaq.
Blue
on
dot,
the
add to position, get up in there. Let's go. Get up in there. Yes. Yes. I'm going to push one out to T3. Holy cow, she's on the move. She is on the move. Oh, yeah, baby! Get yourself. Okay, don't want to celebrate too quite yet. Let's keep playing. What do we got? Blue dot, pushing up to the top. Coming into the top. T3 all the way through the J hook. That is a beauty. Holy shnikes. Where are we on the high time frame? High time frame is all the way up. Wow, blew right through the top golden rope even right now. Okay, so we're not taking a short back down in there, but we're coming into the lines. Look up top. 2 prior zone lines right here, okay? This is the spot to play now.
harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Wait for it. Multi PRZ here.
Short. Look for a short.
Broken underneath it.
Harmonic pattern.
Long. Look for
Holy cow. Did you see how fast it got back up there? Holy cow. That was fast.
Fib dot.
Green headshot. Wow. Pushed and pushed. Wish I would have at least towed in the water down there. Wow. We're getting off screen now. We're
Harmonic
getting so high.
pattern. Nasdaq.
Okay.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Green dot. PRZ up above. We're in multi-gray lines again.
Fib dot.
Got our levels above.
Nasdaq on
Super
the 5s.
fast.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Right back to the headshot spot here. Excuse me. Okay, right into, is this the open line? So we're right back to the open. So we'll play the zone here around the open.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Green dot break.
Fib dot. Nasdaq
Double
on the
dot.
2s.
I'm going to take a little shot right here on a little double
Fib
dot
dot.
for T1.
Nasdaq on target.
Get up in there. Yes, I'll take it. Easy little double dot right there. Playing the video game. Let's go. Back to the open line. So open line zone going to be up here to the top. We would take a short somewhere up here.
Fib dot.
Okay, green dot pushing up. We are into an HMD. I'm going to take a little PRZ. Oh, yikes. Don't break that cross. Drop it. Drop it. Break the cross. Yes, PRZ cross to T1. Back to the open. I'll take it.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq.
There's
on
a
the 2s.
shark. Shark back would be right here. Is there a second one? Nope, it's going to be a cipher. So we got cipher here, shark right here. 2 spots for potentials right down here. Excuse me. Lots of crosses coming in this zone. Okay, let's mark this up. Yikes. Okay, we're getting activity here. Let's press F6. That is going to be a major spot here now. We've got multiple crosses. Now we got a double cross here. We can't take a DCDM. If we were, measure would be from here to here. Wow, cluster. Okay, let's hold. Let's watch what happens here. We got PRZs down below me. I'm going to give it toe in the water here, down to the PRZ.
Fib dot. NASDAQ. on
Pink
the
dot,
Tuesday.
add to position. Let's go. Is it going to give it to me? Is this going to be the big one?
NASDAQ
Uh-oh,
on
green
the
dot just
Tuesday.
followed up after. Pink over green, inside a cluster. Let's get my stops back behind this cluster here. Okay, I'm going to get my risk behind the cluster.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
Drop it. Get down in there. Get down in there. Uh-oh. Drop it. Break it. Break that PRZ. Do it. Little tiny
Good
break
dog.
there.
Nice
Get
dip.
down in there.
On the
Get in that
thighs.
ladder. Get in there. Get in that ladder. Climb down that ladder. Let's go. Look at that thing. Oh, it's so juicy.
Fib
Oh,
dot.
red
NASDAQ
dot.
on the
Oh
Tuesday.
my word. I'm not going to add right here. If it starts to break up high, I don't want to give too much back here. Hold that red dot.
Just graduated fresh on campus. Fresh out East Atlanta with no manners. Damn.
Hold it. Drop it. Drop it. Yes, let's go. Drop it. Yes. Yes. Get in there. Oh, please don't continue with the zone. Come on. There we go. We got the moon. We got the moon. We got the moon. Let's go. Drop me to the bottom of the moon. 383s. 383s. 383s to the bottom of the moon right here. Yikes, got a blue dot up on the 5s. We need to see that break. Get into that PRZ underneath there. Suck it down in there. Yes,
Harmonic pattern.
yes,
NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
yes. I'm gonna take it right here. I'm gonna close it up here. I don't know what's gonna happen right there. I'm taking it right there. Wow, beauty.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
Thinking about my trade count right now. I've lost count. Super fast action here today. No one to bend the rules. Today's the day. Green PRZ.
NASDAQ on the
Oof,
5s.
I hesitated too long. I should have at least taken a little toe in the water. PRZ hit on that right there. Yep, I'm taking it right now. Look at this. HMD up top. Yes. Little HMD stops behind the
Good dog.
cross.
Nice exit.
Oh, another cross. Add to position. Stop behind the cross. Oh no. Oh no. Pick up, pick up, pick up. Oh, it turns into a headshot. Dadgummit.
Fib dog. Exit.
All right, getting wrecked on that one. Yikes! Turned into a double red. I'm gonna close it.
Fib dog. Harmonic pattern.
Bummer.
NASDAQ
Okay.
on the Tuesday.
Got a little tripped up with that one there. Had it up top there. Got pushed a bit. Oh, there she goes. Oh man. Oh, that happens sometimes. Okay, now we're moving fast. What does that tell me? Breaking the green dot with the red behind it. We've got the open. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. I'm going to take this one as a loss. Did not expect that to go that far. All right. Closed it out. Again, folks, get used to... We're right at the back of the shark here. I want to
Fib
take
dog.
a short.
NASDAQ
We're at the
on
back of the
Tuesday.
shark. King timing.
Fib dog.
Okay, I'm gonna take it. One more shot here. Let's go. Drop it. No, don't you wreck me,
Fib
dadgummit.
dog.
Oh,
NASDAQ on the
oh.
exit.
Okay, got wrecked. Got wrecked. Multi PRZ.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the
PRZ
5s.
short. One last shot here. I got big PRZ right here. Give it to me. Putting on some
Harmonic
risk.
pattern. NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
PRZ cross, shark, multi PRZ up top here. Get down in there. King timing down below. Oh, don't fake me here. Drop it.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Red dot. Add. Give it. We cracked that red dot. I'm closing the whole thing.
Target filled.
Thank you.
Fib target
Thank
filled.
you. Got a little more in you. There's a PRZ right there. Drop it. Get to the front of that shark.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Okay.
Target filled.
I'm gonna hold it right here. Get there. Thank you very much.
Look for a short.
Made me a little nervous around all that. Okay. Had to battle through that a bit. A little bit tricky there. Whew. Okay. Where's our open line? Open line. Still right back up here.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Headshot. Okay. Let's go, baby. Let's go. If this one works out well, I may call this my last trade of the day.
Target filled.
We're getting it pretty good here. Headshot. Get up in there. Stop back behind the headshot. Get it. Get up in there. Into PRZ.
Nasdaq on the 2s.
Get it. Get up in there.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s. Fib dot. Nasdaq.
Green dot.
on the 2s.
Add to position. Get into that PRZ. Let's go. Get in there, baby. Stop in case she just drops
Target
out.
filled.
Yes. Yes. There's a plover. Add to position. Get in
Harmonic
there.
pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Oh man, I might be getting greedy. Going after the plover. Oh, don't wreck me. Hold. Hold. Get up in there. Get up in there. Finger over the close here. Oh, might have been pressing my luck, trying to push that one. Right back here at the
Good
headshot.
dog.
King
Nasty.
timing. Got a green dot. Get up in there. Give me something. Turn this into something. Come on.
Target.
Give me something good. Come on. Oh, 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 oh. All right, I'm moving my stop up. I'm gonna put my stop up behind the green dots here. Not wanting to get wrecked here. Get into that PRZ. Get into the PRZ. Let's go.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq. Fib dot. Nasdaq.
I got the green dot up top. Yikes. Pink dot. Push up just a little bit. Come on. I should have taken some off there at the pink. Dadgummit. Come on. You know you want it. You know you want it. Suck it back up in there. Open line is right up there. Come on now. Go hit it one more time. Please go hit it one more time. No. Get up in there. Get up. Get up in there.
Fib dot.
Get up in there. Yes.
On the 5s.
Oh my word. This is how we're gonna play. Yikes. Little cluster up here up top. Turned into a pink dot. I'm gonna get wrecked. I got greedy on this one. And I am just gonna remind myself of what happens when try to get too greedy there. Oh man. I could taste that trade. That trade seems so juicy. Cannot believe that.
Nasdaq on the 2s.
Didn't hit my stop? You gonna keep going? Oh, I think proper stop placement might have just saved my butt. Get up in there. I'm here in buyer's step now. Let's go.
Target.
Let's go. Get me into that PRZ. Go. You can do it. Push it. Yes.
Target.
Yes.
Target
Yes.
filled.
Triple yes. I'm taking it right there. Close it out. I am done. I am leaving it right there. Holy cow. Blue dot headshot holds it to... I had about 4 ticks there. Well, I was going to say held it to the tick. No, it wasn't to the tick.
$50.
Right back down. Holy cow. That is beautiful. Which sucks it right back up into the golden ropes on the 89 on the high time frame. I am not going to press my luck any farther than that. That is feeling real nice. Right up in there into
NASDAQ on
the top side. This looks like got the little dragon neck going on right here. Man, so right here around the 15,399.25s, if it comes right back here, I would take another shot at it. Oh man, it's been such a great session there. The morning session was much more difficult for me. Of course, it wasn't really morning. I wish I would have traded the morning. I ended up trading right there in the afternoon, right around noon. Took a significant drawdown.
$50.
We'll
NASDAQ
talk about that
on the
here
way.
shortly. Let's see. You gonna drop me down to this PRZ? Give me an HMD in here or something. Give me something good. Oh, yikes. I just noticed this on the left. Wasn't paying attention over here. Is that a shark? It looks like a shark. Shark play.
$50. NASDAQ on the
Yeah,
Tuesday.
that's a shark. Alright, so we could get a drop here on that shark.
$50. $50.
Oh, that was so
NASDAQ
fast.
on the
Holy
buy
cow. Did you see how snappy this is? Alright, yeah. I'm smelling the writing on the wall there. That went up super fast. Wouldn't be surprised if we did get that little drop down, drop out hat. Now that I see that, that's dangerous. Alright, I am happy right here. I think I might have pushed over, let's see, did I push over 6 figures on, well, let's look at today first. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Today's the 13th. Alright, so a lot of commissions today. Took a lot of trades. The early morning session, we'll talk about that. Oh, wrong screen here. Let's look at
NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
where we're at here. So, oh my word, my throat. Alright, so pretty pumped about that. What do you think about that there, Trump?
Okay, I love it.
NASDAQ
Great
on the
to hear
Tuesday.
it, bro. Alright, so,
$50.
man, I
NASDAQ
thought I
on the
did
5.
better than that.
$50.
No. Yeah, the morning session was too. The first session just ate me up a bit. Morning session ate me up just a bit too much. 74%. Okay. All right. So yeah, we definitely didn't cross it then. Okay. Well, let's look at the current stats. So 74%. A lot of trades.
Look for it.
Had a big drawdown. 8,400. I'll release that in a separate video, and we'll talk through that in a separate video on that one. So super overconfident. If you guys want to see the first session, so my son was in there this morning. You're kind of hanging out on my lap.
NASDAQ on
He
the
had a
back
great
view.
trade right off the bat. Like very first trade was just absolutely great. And so then overconfidence, and, you know,
NASDAQ
it was
on the
crazy
five.
stuff. Little guy needed to go. Wife came in trying to get some. He needed to go, you know, get some lunch and all that kind of stuff. So
$50.
I ended up running
NASDAQ
him
on the
downstairs,
Tuesday.
and I was all excited because my first trade was such a good one. And I think that got me into an overconfident state. So I tried to take a continuation on a J hook, and that J hook, it was literally the turning point of the afternoon. And as I continued to try to ride with the MACV, it happened to be the shifting point of the day where it came back down. So I tried to go to the long side on about 3 trades in a row, and took this drawdown pretty solid on me. So it was rough trying to come back during that
Harmonic
morning,
pattern.
first morning
NASDAQ
session
on
there.
the Tuesday.
So that's what that drawdown came from there. It might have been even 4 trades that I was still trying to get to the long side after a J hook. It had a great J hook, kind of went straight up, hit me at target 1, and there was a lot of speed with it, and I just kept trying right here, trying to go to target 2 and target 3. So I tried it the first time, then it came back down. I had a great little, I think it was a double dot entry, tried to go for it again, stopped out again. I can't remember what the next setup was, but it came down to the entry points, and at that point I really shouldn't have been trying for it again, but I tried it at the entry point 3, and I think I might have even tried one more right before it hit the stop line, and that was just dumb to continue on trying to make that work. And that literally ended up being the shifting point of the day, and we had a big drop down after that. Now, yes, once the MACV had shifted over and I saw that, you know, we were able to start to work back that direction, but it was pretty tough on that first set of trades. But there's a lot of speed, a lot of activity going on here this afternoon. You know, it's the first day after contract rollover. We talked about that. If you guys have seen our rollover videos, this is the time to pay attention to that, especially when we've been kind of at all-time highs. You can predict there's going to be that big drop-off, but remember, even if they're going to reposition themselves back in, there can also be that pop right back in it. We may watch here at the end of the day. We may end up continuing to drop. Here comes the final 30 minutes here any moment. It will be very tempting for me to take some trades here, but I am going to try to sit right here. I'm pretty happy with a 10K day here, a double bonus, what we call a double bonus day. So anything over 5K is a bonus. 2 of those are going to be double bonus. Where's my camera at? There we go. So the MACV, again, one of those tough things with the MACV today. Just that drawdown there, it happens, and I don't want to say, I mean, I could have avoided that by not trading during that time period today. It just happened to be that, okay, I'm like ready to go. I finally was about to, you know, I had the little guy this morning. My wife is doing the 2 homeschool classes for 2 of our kids, so I'm having a little guy in the morning and things. So wrapping that up, and there were some great trade setups. You could just hear the audio box. I also was probably getting pretty enthusiastic because our members today are absolutely smashing it. Let's take a look at that real quick before we look at my stats, because I really did thought I was gonna, it almost looked like we were gonna hit 6 figures today in our trading contest. But I gotta take a moment here and let's applaud the crew. I mean, we've just got some absolutely smashing numbers from our members here today. I mean, look at this. Manny hitting 6K. I think he finished at 8. GP 653. Just absolutely outstanding numbers. Just, yeah, absolutely crushed it. 5,300 for mini fridge. After commissions, 4,500. Coots, 1,200. 64. They were just such huge numbers. Roger, 2,184. Just, you know, outstanding numbers. So, you know, if you scroll through the room here today, go check out some of that awesome action. Members absolutely crushing it. And that really just kind of got me inspired and excited. And, you know, sometimes the emotions play into it. Today was definitely that day, you know, and I had my son over there and all this excitement was going on. You know, I'm not sitting here trying to make excuses. I'm just, you know, feeding into you guys, telling you like the stuff that was going on. But you guys see how fast the market is right now? These are the days, much easier for us playing that video game, just taking the trades, right? A double dot shows up, bam, bam, bam. PRZ cross, take it, bam, bam, bam. You know, and then some of these turn into big ones. Man, look at this one up here on YM. Double dot HMD up top. Is this gonna take us to the right screen? Yeah. Look at that. Double dot on an HMD, boom, huge. Is there anything? I mean, it's not a great predictor of the turning point there. Little nudge down off of a double dot that dropped 30 ticks, but boom, then we're right back up. So, you know, but let our plays, you know, hit T1, T2, good to go. MACV is the guide, MACV histogram on all of them. Let's see if our show all is working here. So yeah, look at the histograms across the board. Green, 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 right? When all of them are in a direction, pretty easy. It's kind of what happened to me earlier today. I was going to the long side, everything was long, but then it just happened to be that big shifting point of the day. And I tried it too many times. I really should not have continued to try after that J hook. Yes, I mean, but again, I've told you guys before, you do not have to be perfect to be profitable. So don't forget that. Always trying to improve, but again, does not require perfection. Follow the rules, use the tools, follow the rules, and let the tools do the majority of the work. All right, beating that dead horse here. Vinny, get to it. So what do we do here? Almost 11K, 74% profitable. Let's look to see where we're at in the trading contest all the way back to July the 5th. And look at our numbers here. Oh my word, so close to crossing the 6-figure mark here in our trading contest. We are at day 50? What are we at? We are on day 48. So if you count weekends, which we're not, again, we're only counting trading days, okay? But we've been doing this contest a couple months now and not doing too bad. Starting out with a small account, working our way up. Obviously now we're not. It's weird saying small account challenge, right? Because people are coming in and being like, Vinny, this is not small account anymore. Yes, that's true. We're not small account challenge anymore, but we started out with 2,500. Go back and watch again. If you're coming in right now, seeing the big numbers right now, go back to square one, beginning of contest, the first 2 or 3 weeks where I'm having to work with the smaller account. It's much more difficult, having to be more choosy about the trade setups. But watch how we did that. And remember, I'm not teaching you to trade with a $2,500 account. That's not the goal. What you want to do is, if you're asking me the absolute bare minimum, you're going to get with that 2,500 using up to 5 contracts. Remember, that has to do with 5 sizes. If you can adjust for 5 sizes across 5 trades, okay, targeting at a minimum, we're targeting minimum is $500, right? That's what this little paper thing is for. You can go print one out from our room. Just go into Discord there, click on the left-hand side, print you out one yourself. Have something that you can use. I use some gold Trump coins now. I used to use the little Nerf darts to track your trades, make sure you know the trades per session. Today was know when the exceptions occur. Today would be one of those exceptions. The market's moving very, very quick. Today is the day where you want to push it, when it's sort of pedal to the metal, when you get those trade opportunities. But know why the rules exist. Practice those, create those as habits so that you know when you are bending them, when you are understanding the rules, when you get the rules, when you're playing the rules. You can then bend the rules, right? But not until you have that on lock and understand why those rules exist, okay? Keep yourself out of trouble. All right, so let's talk about some things here. Profit factor looking real good, 2.36, 67% profitable. These are the 2 stats where our system shines. And let's look at some of the stats, because that doesn't tell everything, right? And we want to go and look at actual analysis. So let's go into our analysis button here. And this is, what is this, time of day? Yeah, so about a half-hour day, obviously more time in the afternoons. We don't trade too much around this time. This is actually mostly my drawdown from today. I'm sure contributes to a lot of that one. Let's look at by trades and go to cumulative. So here's where we're at in the trading contest, climbing this nice hill here. You can see our drawdowns, pretty consistent across the boards. This one, let's see if we can see this on the daily's probably going to hide that. Yeah, daily's not going to be able to see that with that. So yeah, we want to see that with the trades. Can I see how many trades that was? Yeah, several. Yeah, see, then I had the one that kind of pulled me back up a little bit. Yeah, but then I tried it again. It was that was pretty rough. Okay, so that's trades over trades. Let's look at day of week. Of course, we know Wednesday still being our top day. No surprise there. We've talked about that before. Why Wednesday is going to be some of our best stuff. Do take a note, those of you guys who are new with us, just now seeing, be like, oh, does the system not work in the morning? No, it just happens to be my personal schedule that, I don't trade much in the mornings right now due to homeschooling our kids with all that kind of crazy stuff. Just life in general, right? Let's go to drawdowns. I guess I can't see it by half-hour day. Let's go into drawdowns. Okay, so we've had... Officially, we've got 4, is it 4 or 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 losing days over the trading contest, keeping them small. We've had a couple of big days. Today was not the biggest day we've ever had. We had a $16,000 day at some point. Today is our second largest. After commissions there, 10K, 13 total ticks put away, but after commissions there, which is what we count there at right around 10 or 11. Is that looking 11? It's 11, yeah. It's 10-9, right? So not too bad at all. Let's look at what other stat you guys want to see here. We want to look at max drawdowns, cumulative max drawdowns. Yeah, again, we had another, pretty significant drawdown there today. And we'll play back that video here this evening, and we'll talk through, you know, even some of the psychology, what was going on there. Day over day, this kind of shows it broke down by day. Does it do it by half hour? I haven't even looked at this before. No, that's no fun. Yeah, there's no max drawdown by half hour. Okay. Okay, I think we've that's all the fun stats. You guys want to talk about something else? Let me know. Drop it down in the comments down below. Let me know. If you guys want to see anything else, I do suggest you guys download the 2-week free trial if you haven't joined it, tried it, use it yourself. See for yourself. Don't forget, if you are getting into the current gold pack that's there on our website before we release the new one, there is a link on our website right now where you can get it, and it will include 3 robots, not just 1, not 2, but 3 fully automated robots if you are going to vinimini.com right now. Now remember, the next website is going to be algoboxpro.com. So when that one releases, this thing is over. And yes, I do intend for it to be out this week, but this is still here and available. So if you want to take advantage of that, you can click right here, final lifetime offer. There it is, $49.97. We've never done this before. We're never doing it again. There will not be lifetime in the future. It will include maintenance fees. There will be yearly cost involved to get the same stuff that we've got right now. And don't forget, we're including 3 robots. That is the fully automated headshot robot. You guys have seen our headshots. We took several even today. One of my best trades there was that blue headshot. That was a beast. We've got the full auto 2-finger salute, and we've got 2 full videos on that. You guys can go check that out if you want to, you know, see like, well, what is that going to be about? You can go check that out. And the third one is, of course, our infamous lunch bot that trades 1 hour during a lunch hour. Really nothing to configure on that one. The other 2, there are things you will need to learn how to configure through optimization processes. But yeah, if you guys want to join it, those are yours to keep along with your gold package membership, and that will not be, that will never happen again. Okay. So there you go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying the small account challenge we've been doing against Ross Cameron and Warrior Trading. Haven't seen how they did. I think last week they had a little bit of a rough week. I hope he's doing well. I think he was also trading while he was on vacation. You know, I think to Ross's credit, I think he might actually like trading more than me. I love some competition. I'm a big competitor, love the competition part, but the video game, maybe it's because I play Battlefield, and you know, the Battlefield video games and the first-person shooters a little more enthralling to me. This is kind of feels like we're playing Atari, you know. I don't mind the competition, but would I trade and do all this on vacation? I don't think so, right? I think vacation is for vacation. That's my personal feeling on that. But hey, props and kudos to Ross. He did a pretty fantastic job in the trading contest so far while he was trading some on his vacation. He started out, you know, a little bit rough, you know, using leverage like he tells his traders not to. And in his first $7,000 that he made of where he's currently at, last time we checked, I think he was at around 22,000 in the contest. You know, not too bad. But we are at 98,883.76. Not too bad. We're about to cross the 6-figure mark, and I'm pretty sure, unless Ross just YOLOs it, which again, Ross is known for it. Ross can YOLO huge trades, right? We've seen him do 200K days. We've seen him do 100K days. He's got the largest following out there on YouTube. All we want to do is step up to the plate and say, hey, if you've ever seen a little bit of a different system, if you don't want to pay yearly, which Ross, by the way, I don't know if you guys know how much Ross cost. Ross costs over there at Warrior Trading is $59.97 for 1 year. Let me repeat that one more time for you. 1 year is $59.97 with Ross. No algorithms, no full auto.
On the Tuesday.
I'm pretty sure he's not recording his full sessions for you. He might be. I don't know what he's doing behind the scenes. Doesn't have a fully open 24/7 Discord trade room, that's for sure. There are so many things that they don't have. I'm just giving you guys the opportunity to compare and contrast and tell me, you know, at the end of the day, if you still think Ross's system is better, then please, by all means, go hook it up. But if you'd like an alternative to the Ross boss, you might want to come hang out with us so you have a lot less loss with Ross. All right, folks, that's it. Thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and the rest of the gang, let's send out a big H-Town. See ya.
Fifth off. NASDAQ on the Tuesday.